Hello and welcome to 341 Southeast here in Patterson Park, Canton neighborhood. This previously CHAP renovated home has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, an oversized parking pad, and a 2-tiered deck. Let's go check it out, everybody. This 14-foot wide previous CHAP renovation is now available on an extremely sought after block. There's approximately 2 years remaining on the CHAP tax credit. Glistening hardwoods cascade throughout with tons of natural light. Enjoyed your coffered ceilings, accent dining room wall, exposed brick, and stained glass features on the main floor. In the designer chef's kitchen, you will find high-end white cabinetry, upgraded trim and paint, imported tile, granite countertops, upgraded stainless steel appliances, and an oversized island. Off the kitchen, there is a designated entrance for the parking pad with a conveniently located half bath and tons of room for storage. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms, a large hall bathroom with his and her showers, double vanity, and jacuzzi tub. Off the rear bedroom, you will access the 2-tiered rooftop deck with amazing views of Patterson Park, the Baltimore City Skyline, and the Inner Harbor. The finished lower level includes an additional bedroom with high ceilings, full bathroom, and laundry and storage room. Call me today at 443-417-6444 to check out this amazing home. Also click the link below to see open house availability, and let's check it out soon. Thanks guys.